Hello, David here, and the project for today is a review of a grill cover. This is a Kingkong 7130 grill cover. I got it on Amazon. They're not a sponsor. It says it fits the Weber Genesis E330, the Genesis 2 3-burner grill, Genesis 2 LX300 series, and I got it because my daughter needs a grill cover. If you remember, I did a repair of a Spirit E310 grill by Weber for my daughter, and I'll put the link to that video up above. And I bought this to fit that, and going by the dimensions, it should fit the Spirit E310 perfectly. And also going by the dimensions, I think it's going to fit my grill, and if it does, I'm going to buy another one of these if I like it. You see these reviews on Amazon and they just swing very wildly. Some of them get 0 stars, some of them get 5 stars, they're the best thing since sliced bread. Other people are saying they fall apart after 1 month. And this Kingkong brand had the least unfavorable reviews of any that I saw. So this is not made by Weber. It's made by a different company. It's aftermarket. So I thought I'd give it a try based on its high percentage of favorable reviews. This is made in the People's Republic of China. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Be careful when you cut that box open. You certainly don't want to cut the material. See, it's plastic wrap for her protection. Here's some utensils. Check out the quality of these. These are individually wrapped for her protection as well. A fork. Look how thin that is. I don't want to trust my life to that. That's pretty thin too. That edge is pretty sharp, be careful. What are these? Burger flipper. This twisty looks like it was made for a birthday party. These aren't quite so thin. Looks like it's made out of stainless steel, but let's check it out. Let's give it the magnet test. Magnet sticks to it. That means it's a low grade stainless. If it is stainless, magnet's sticking to that. The magnet is sticking to that. So it's got some iron in there. These forks have little protectors on them so that you don't run yourself through. One of my factors for consideration was the weight of the grill covers. Some of them advertised were 2 pounds, 3 pounds. This one's got a shipping weight of 5.5 pounds. So that's a positive factor. Here's the dimensions. 58 inches wide, 25 inches deep, 44.5 inches high. And they got Velcro straps. It's made out of 600D polyester. So that's supposed to make it waterproof. Material seems to be about medium weight. I got on the scale, it's coming in at 2 pounds 3 ounces. Maybe that was resting on the ground. £2 pounds 14 ounces, 3 pounds. So I think the weight is incorrectly advertised. I see the hems are double sewn. Here's the seam. And the seams are double sewn as well. I almost thought I saw a third row of stitches, but no. It's a double sewn stitch. Don't know what kind of thread they're using. I don't know how it's going to hold up after time. I'm going to have to make another video after a period of time to show how these things are holding up. The outside of the fabric has a coating on it that makes it waterproof. So here's my grill. It's a Weber Genesis Silver B. It's an older grill. Model 2250000. This cover is from Weber. It's quite old. It's torn, worn out, and it must have shrunk or something, but it's really hard to get on and get off, so I really need to replace it. Okay, don't laugh at that can over there. Because the grill has a flat top, I put the can under the cover on top so the water rolls off. We get a lot of rain around here. Ain't she a beauty? So there it is on the Weber Genesis Silver B. It fits pretty well. It does drag on the ground a little bit. The back side of the grill is, where is it? It is almost touching. It's maybe an eighth of an inch off the ground. So it will drag. There is so much extra room in there that now I could fit my hand under there, put that can on the top, so the rain could roll off. I could even stand the can up. That's just great. Remains to be seen how long it lasts. Gotta love this logo on the front. That's ominous, isn't it? So let's see how it fits the Spirit E310. Well, I just came over to my daughter and son-in-law's to try the grill cover out on the Weber Spirit E310, and they got fired up and they're cooking, so I'm going to have to wait for that to cool down. The Weber Spirit E310 is cooled off. Let's put the cover on it. Fits pretty nice. Let's see how it holds up. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.